I do not think we are facing any kind of a crisis. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are not in a crisis. We see entities that are fundamentally sound financially, and even if there were a problem, the federal government doesn't bail them out. I don't think that Fannie and Freddie are financially insolvent. I don't think they need large bailouts.
The U.S. government seized control of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
But Fannie Mae, down about 90%. Freddie Mac.
Bailout of mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac.
A house of cards, yes, that's what Treasury officials discovered when they took a closer look at Fannie and Freddie Mac.